Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to find referral ID and link on Binance. So if you also want to find referral ID and link on Binance, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Binance application. You can download this application from Play Store and App Store. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once Binance application is open, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So in order to find the referral ID and link, all you have to do is tap on the Binance icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to find several options. What you have to do is tap on the option referral that you can see on the recommend section. Now wait for a while. Now you'll be led to the interface of Friends Referral Program. Scroll down a bit. Here you'll be able to find the option for invite friends. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll be able to find your referral ID and referral link. If you want to copy the referral ID, all you have to do is tap on the copy icon that you can see right next to the referral ID. You can see over here it has been copied. Now you can paste it somewhere. I'm just going to paste it on my notes. Simply go to notes, tap on the plus icon. You can see over here, this is my referral ID. You can also copy the referral link. Simply tap on the copy icon that you can see right next to the referral link. Now you can paste this link somewhere. I'm going to paste it on my notes. You can see over here, this is my referral link. So that is how you find referral ID and link on Binance. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.